Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane, and today we're going to be having a look at this article that I've found. London KTR invites Arrival UK to build its EV buses in Telangana. This sounds exciting. I came across this article just browsing on Google trying to find Arrival news, and it was absolutely brilliant just to find something like this because I think this is perfect for Arrival. Telangana Industry and Commerce Minister K T Rama, along with Principal Secretary Jayesh Ranjan and senior leadership of ALLOX Resources, a Hyderabad-based company, visited Arrival UK Limited at Banbury. This sounds excellent. This actually makes me really excited. They discussed the possibility of using electric vehicle vans and buses for last-mile connectivity for the metro, ambulance services, and long-haul bus services. Arrival is a London-headquartered national association of securities dealers automated quotations. Now, it's NASDAQ-listed revolutionary technology company which is using a new and better approach to sustainable manufacturing, focuses on EV in the commercial vehicle segment like buses and vans. Arrival UK Ltd has joined hands ALLOX Resources LLP to scope the businesses for Arrival's buses and other electric vehicles in Telangana and India. Minister KTR discussed possible use of Arrival vans and businesses for last-mile connectivity for the metro, ambulance services, long-haul bus services. He also said he wishes to see the Arrival bus fleet services being launched in Hyderabad in line with Telangana's vision to become the most electrified state in India in terms of mobility. With companies like Arrival investing in Telangana, this goal should be achievable quite soon, he said. So Minister KTR and Principal Secretary IT, INC Jayesh Ranjan, assures Arrival of all support possible from the government of Telangana. They also discuss about the EV policy, which provides preferential market access to companies manufacturing outside of Telangana, and handed over a letter of support to Arrival for preferential market access for its buses. The state would soon also encourage private companies and educational institutions to shift to electric buses to reduce the net emissions. This is excellent news. I really like this. I also find a similar article on the Times of India. KTR woos British EV maker Arrival to tea. Telangana Industries Minister K T Rama Rao on Saturday met the leadership team of British commercial EV manufacturer Arrival UK Ltd. This article just gives you a summary, a summarized version of what I was talking about in the previous article. It's not a very long article, as you can see. It's pretty damn short, which is unfortunate. But listen, this is brilliant. Arrival could be building vehicles in India with the right investment, the right leadership, the right market. I believe this is a real possibility for Arrival. I know actually, this is ideal for Arrival. This is the sort of business opportunities Arrival is always thriving for. Arrival is the same company who wants to build micro factories in cities around the world. This could be cities in India, as this article is describing that Arrival could branch businesses in India. This would be a big business for the Asian market as well for electrification. And because Arrival is focusing on microfactory, they don't really have to go to India and build a huge factory. They just need to have a few different factories, small factories, because they need microfactories, not gigafactories. Their approach is very different from other manufacturers, which puts them in a unique position. Instead of building all of their vehicles in Charlotte and in the UK and shipping them everywhere, instead what they will do, they will build some vehicles in America specifically for the American market. They will build some vehicles in the United Kingdom specifically for the UK market and some of Europe. They will build small factories, microfactories in the rest of Europe like France, maybe Spain. They will build in Africa as well. If they build in India as well, they can use those small factories to supply the Indian market. But perhaps not just one factory in India, multiple factories, why not? But perhaps not just one factory in India, multiple factories, of course. Within each country, I would suggest Arrival is planning on building multiple factories, obviously starting with one in the most important market, and the easiest market to begin with is the United Kingdom and the United States, and that's exactly what Arrival has done. I'm quite confident that they will most likely try to get to China as well. They will probably try to get to India as well, because India is such a vast market and we're seeing the interest in these vehicles and in the technology as well. And India is a very technological country. It doesn't get the credit it deserves for its technological advancement and achievements, but they are extremely technological. And India knows how to build great technology with an extremely low budget. We've seen time and time again, India is able to build spacecrafts and venture into outer space, even making attempts to land on the moon with extremely low budget. India as a country also has a vast amount of software engineers amongst many other engineers. It's a thriving place and a thriving environment for employing the right people who are extremely intelligent to build the things you need. And I don't think India as a country get enough credit for what they're capable of doing on a low budget. So I can see Arrival being in India and being extremely successful with hiring the right people and being in a market who desperately needs electric vehicle. It's a bright future. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video.